Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah. Got an Audi A3 that actually came in about 2 to 3 months ago. We had to actually take the problem with the car was no drive at all. You put it in D, reverse, it doesn't really matter what gear you put it in. The car does not go forward or does not go back, it just sits there on the spot. And it tells you on the dash, gearbox faulty, take it to the workshop. Okay, so what we done, we determined what was wrong with it. We found out the Mechatronic unit, which is that big the back cover there. That's the Mechatronic unit. So I had to do some diagnostic work to find out it is that. But then we had to remove it, send it away to get a rebuild, and then we got it back, put it in, and then actually do the basic settings and programming of the clutches properly, and then the car now. So before we couldn't even get the car to drive at all. So now we're going to actually start it up. We've done all the computer work, all the programming is done. Now we're just going to start it up and actually, alright, start up. Okay, put it in reverse. Keep going, keep going. Alright, put it in drive. Alright, so you can see it's moving now, driving. I just came back from a long road test to make sure everything's fine. So I'm going to plug the computer in and double check everything, and then double check underneath any leaks, and then put the covers on. And hopefully get a customer will pick it up next week. Alright, so the issue was with this car is no drive at all. Gearbox faulty, and it was actually Mechatronic unit was faulty. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.